I wanna go up, I wish to see God, love, life, and prosperity within the heavens, throughout the sky. Maybe it's just a twinkle in my eye. I wanna go up, I wish to see God, love, life, and prosperity within the heavens, throughout the sky. Maybe it's just a twinkle in my eye. Soft kisses, I don't reminisce. I'm preaching fuck love, cause these niggas got me pissed. Rolling up like drive-bys, claiming that they good guys. I need a good fella, or at least fortune teller, to tell me what I seek's absurd. Searching through the Bible, looking for the word of wisdom, striving for sage. Can't control my temper, prescribe me enraged. They never soothe me, I'm losing control. Arrows to the heart can damage the soul and dismantle my stance. I'm just trying to do my football dance. Victim of beauty, a thug on the low. Hated for what? Shit I'll never know. These are just thoughts I think of when I think of love. I got no filter, I say what I feel. Love sickens me, I never been ill. Pops is lonely, mom's complacent. Upside down fams, adjacent. But we bonded and bound like glue. Guess I had a love and neglect that I knew. Married to music, mutual I do. But do you get what I've been through? You're just a sin, and I am just a sinner. You'll never meet the fams, and I don't do dinner. So come into the bedroom, turn off MTV. Climb onto the bed and please pray for me. Bird and beauty, what brings you down? Navigating on my own, town after town. Fill up the gas and float down this road. I've written passages, but my story's untold. I am legend, or maybe legendary. Female Freddy Krueger, my rap game is scary. Please, no screaming, I'm trying to defeat these demons. I can kick and push, distracted by the kush. It's medicinal, I feel. It makes what matters seem real. If nothing even matters, in the words of Lauryn Hill, I guess I just got time to watch her kill. Money is motive, yet it can't direct my actions. Fulfills instantaneous, misguided satisfactions. My distractions, endless calls and the text. No communication, so I'm on to the next. No cities are the same. I'm walking down this path on courage as they honor my name. Praise me in the streets, praise me in your home. Goddess of war, I am condoned. And mayhem is serene, in which I exist. Chaos, collisions, clouds and cliffs. I wanna go up, I wish to see God, love, life, prosperity within the heavens, throughout the sky. It's a twinkle, twinkle in my eye. Curious creator, indulgent intellect, innovations, innovator, high fashion, high tech. I am Giovanni, welcome inside my imagination, a place you can hide. Dear Frankie, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I can't correct our past, you're the one I prove this point to. There's always that person, encounter so brief, who you think of at times and feel relief.